All right now, y'all. Today we've got something really special for you. We're gonna take my big, heavy layup Rampage, and we're gonna test out our big 56 millimeter stainless high rake props. But here's the catch. We're running this puppy on 10S. Wow, they sure do look nice. They fit right, nice and perfect on the hubs. This is gonna be a good time for sure. Yes, indeed. I didn't waste no time putting these stainless props on here. Getting out ya. Yep. The water isn't awesome by any means, but it isn't bad. You know what I mean? No, it's not gonna be a full-on speed run. I'm gonna yike her up. You know, don't get me wrong. The first couple passes I'm gonna be cool because I don't know what this thing, the characteristics are gonna be like with the stainless props or with 10S. But you know what I mean? I'm out here doing it. You know what I mean? These other people sell these big ass boats and they've never even run them themselves. That's crazy. That's why I'm making stuff for their big boats and my big boats, namely these big ass stainless CNC props. A couple of my customers have gotten them already, but there's no stainless CNC props like this out here yet. But enough of the talking to chit chat. Let's get Scott. We'll do the leap test. Feels robust. And now, like I said, we're just gonna get a feel for the situation. It actually feels really good. Like I knew it would.
Battery 7.3.
That's definitely faster than it's ever gone. And I was not flooring it. These props are right. I'm gonna ask a little bit more of it coming on the way back again. I don't know how well I'm filming, but it's hard to film when I'm into it like this. Well, I wasn't even flooring it, and it hit 119. Let's go get it, charge the batteries back up, and get in the 120s. Now that there was a lot of fun. Yeah, I crashed it. I got a little overzealous. The water isn't exactly flat. 119 isn't bad on 3/4 throttle. I got these hobby wings in here. I got my Oxidean dynamo motors, Oxidean servo. We're running all Oxidean gear. Oxidean props, Oxidean prop technology. Yeah, this is our 56 millimeter props. This boat can definitely handle the 58s. What I've learned with these big boats like this, it's not so much the RPM, it's the diameter of the prop. When I put a 60 millimeter prop on here, it's just too much for it. It just wants to blow the boat over a lot easier. I mean, it can deal with it, but with smaller props, it's a lot more drivable no matter how much power I put to it. But I'm on the 56s. That was only 3/4 throttle. This thing can handle my 58s, but today we're gonna rock the 56s. We're gonna take it home and charge it up again because I gotta see over 120 for this video. And while we're here, special shout out to Derek Jensen. He just made the animal do 124 on all our stock stuff. Because the animal was, and always has been the world's fastest ready to run. It's funny. When I designed this and we became the world's fastest RTR, just a craze of madness. A bunch of just straight up haters were getting the Zonda, and they were actually cheating. They're actually putting 2,500 kV motors. The Zonda isn't even a ready to run boat. It doesn't come with a radio. It doesn't come with a servo. And they're out here saying world's fastest ready to run and getting on YouTube and all this stuff. And it turns out they were cheating. Then you got some other goofball out here. He bought an animal used, and he's out here saying he's got it from some other place in China. When he wants to try to make us look bad, he calls it something else to try to deter our sales. Then when he tries to compare it to a Zonda, he says it's an Oxidean and it's inferior. Now that everybody's seeing how good the Oxidean is, he's trying to pretend that it's an Oxidean. He's back onto it. It's just weird. We're here to show you the absolute truth. Oxidean Marine makes the world's fastest, strongest, most reliable, ready-to-run boats. And I'm about to prove that right here with this Rampage. No, it's not a major speed run. No, it's not a major speed contest. And with that stuff that they did with the Zonda is a prime example why I don't get involved in that stuff anymore. When I started doing 80 miles an hour on 1S, just the jealousy and cheating and the weirdness came out, and it just made it not fun for me to compete. 120, nope, it's not even a personal best for me. It's not the fastest I've ever gone. I got out of just the competition part because I do this for enjoyment. I've come out here and gone well over 120. I've disintegrated the boats too. But that's not the point. Everything I've learned, I'm sharing it with you guys. I want to put it into our ready-to-run boats so you guys can have something strong and reliable. I have more speed run experience in actual true competition than just about anybody in this country.
I'm up in the morning at 5 a.m. working on my Rampage.
Now, I did a boo-boo yesterday. I didn't remove the shafts after I got out of the water, but it's been well less than 24 hours, so I shouldn't have any major problems from that. I'm gonna switch out the servo. I'm gonna charge the batteries, go over everything, make sure everything's tight, make sure everything's dry inside, and let's hit 120. Good morning, good morning. It's Bill Oxidean out here. We got some real flat water. It looks like the breeze has started to pick up a little bit on me, but we should do some making her happen. As you see, yesterday we did 119. That was gorgeous. I got back out, got back in and realized I had a loose screw on one of my drive dogs, so it wasn't hitting me with your best shot. But this morning, we're not gonna hit with his best shot, but we're gonna give it a hell of a good run because this water's pretty flat. It's got a nice even fuzz across the top, but nothing too crazy. We won't get its top speed because it'll only get its top speed on glass. But let's see if we can exceed 119. Do a little hop out. Felt good.
Receiver battery 7.3 volts.
Wish me luck.
Model speed 11 miles per hour.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the baddest boats
That's a
on
shitty
the
line.
scene? It's got you screaming
We're gonna go with
Oxidean
it.
Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave. CNC punch, man, it's built for speed. 100 miles an hour on the water. Shit.
It blew over. It's still up.
Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. And the Dominator model, man, it's just as hard. Superpower,
We're gonna try it again.
strongest power systems on the market, legit. Oxidean Marine, no questions, that's it. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine.
27 mile per hour.
Three-quarters throttle. Try one more pass. See if I can get full throttle. It gets flighty. I know I'm out of battery, but I'm still making one more pass because I like it.
Receiver battery.
Whoa!
7.4.
Hatch came off. The boat is floating, and I've got my hatch floating. With my expanding foam, it floats real well. Me, my boat, and my hatch are coming back to shore. It crashed. It certainly did. It crashed. All is well, but it certainly doesn't end here. We're gonna end this video with 119 miles an hour on this thing, but it's not over by any means. That water's still good today. I'm gonna go home and charge the batteries and start another video. We're gonna get 120 plus for sure. So what the way it was running is what it's telling me is it's real flighty still. So but it was optimized for the props I had on it before. What I'm gonna do is go down with the struts a little bit. I'm gonna take the drives down a little bit. They're real sensitive, so I'm gonna come down just a tad. But on the next video, I think I'll bring my wrench and just make some passes till I get those drives right, because I want to be able to get into the throttle real aggressive kind of early and just run it on out, and it should be able to do that with this power. But until then, let's be pleased with the 119 and the stainless props. If you like this performance and you like being involved with a company that actually comes out here and tests them and gets them right for you guys, so when you buy them, I know exactly which settings to have you. Try this with one of those Genesis. Try getting over 100 plus like that and crashing the way this thing did with a Genesis. You won't be going back out there to get the boat. That thing will fucking disintegrate on you. You know what I mean? Like these boats are strong, and we have a bunch more Rampages coming out. We have a bunch more coming this season. Carbon Kevlar, which is gonna look sick. Gel coat white. We got graphics coming on some of them, and the Rampage is just the boat to have. And from what I understand, they might be a little bit less expensive. But don't tell anybody I told you that. Subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, and continue enjoying radio control model boating. Bill Oxidean in the 119 mile per hour for now. Rampage, over and out.